Today we're going for a boat ride. Look at this beach. Sawadee krab. Just ripped my pants.
Oh no! Did you have like another wear underneath?
Yeah. Just ripped my pants. Okay.
Nice!
We made it. Rather wet boat ride, but we're here. Bottle Beach. This has to be, I want to say, the best beach that I've seen on this island. It's incredible. We've made it on a perfect day as well. So lucky right now.
So how do we go? We need to walk there?
Yeah, walk in
The White House.
Have the big wave, big wave. There you're talking, have the guy over there show you for the way.
Okay.
It doesn't look too crazy on camera, but I think we're walking up to here. We're gonna go look at the viewpoint now. All different types of terrains. There's forests now, there's like rock climbing before. This is amazing. Since last year when we first got here to Thailand, I have not really worked out. Maybe for the quarantine and the lockdown, the first one. The first 3 months of that, we were working out a little bit, but not really. So this is killing me. Oh shit, okay. We finally made it to the top. It's a little bit of rock climbing now. Look at this. We made it to the top. We made it. We made it. Look at this. Oh, it's a bit dirty. Best view in Thailand I've seen so far, honestly. Worth the hike. It was tough, but here we are. We're almost back down to the bottom and our reward is the beach. Cannot wait. camera's filming actually.
Ah ouais.
I'm gonna say goodbye to the beautiful island.
Fuck you, Coco. Sorry. I felt something almost like pushed it. What? Crab in my shoe. Too bad. Thank you guys.
ครับผมครับ thank you
โอเค เจอกันตอนเย็น See you. See you.
See you soon.